You've got parts on the shelves, parts on your car, parts you're pretty sure you ordered. VOXCAR brings it all together, one place to track what's installed, what's waiting, and what's next. Let's click on the 1968 Ford Mustang GT. From the Vehicle Detail page, select the Parts tab. Parts records are automatically stored when you upload a service invoice or a parts receipt. When you're looking at your parts list, you can sort by the part number, category, status, cost, etc., just by selecting the up and down arrows next to each one of the headers. You can also look at the category groupings of the parts that you have. When you look at parts by category, you may find that some of the parts, or in this case, all of the parts, are not categorized. We can fix that by using the AI feature directly at the top of the page. Select AI Categorize to let VOXCAR do the work. Be patient. If you have a large volume of parts to categorize, it can take some time. After the categorization is completed, if you scroll down, you will see that nothing has changed. You will need to refresh the page in order to have all the categories reflected. This will take you back to the Vehicle Details page where you'll have to select the Parts tab once more. When you open the Parts tab, it will default to the main view. Select the By Category tab to see the breakdown and the categorizations that you just requested. It's always a good idea to check the work, select each category to expand the list and see the parts that were listed under each category heading. Note that it is possible that some parts did not get categorized. You can manually assign them by clicking the Edit button on the right-hand side of each one of those parts. To manually add a part, go to the upper right-hand side of the page, click Add Part. From the Add Part window, add the description, part number, cost, status, meaning is it something that you have in stock? Is it something that's installed in the car? Something that's been ordered? You can list the category, add notes, and you can also assign it to the correct vehicle. With VOXCAR parts, you'll always know what's on the car and what's ready for the next project.